Okay, so I'll be sharing my screen. Let me share the entire window. Can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see it.
Okay. Let's wait a little bit. Let me hide this panel. Let me hide this plotting. Yes, exactly. So now you can see my repository, right? By going to your GitHub. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Oh, I thought that you disappear, even you were not responding. Can you leave your mic
I was
open?
responding. I think
Your microphone.
it might be the network.
Okay. That's good. Awesome. Thank you. By the way. Okay. So let's start here by clicking here. Now you have entered your GitHub account. Then you go to the repository for the group. Now we will imagine this is the group because we cannot go to a group, then we edit it. What if we made some changes that are not being expected by the group members, or the group members don't need those changes? So let's use this repository that I have as a GitHub. So in your group, you will click on the name of your group, which is group 20, group 24. You'll click on it. Then when you click on it, you'll click on this icon here, this green icon. You copy it like this. Then on your search bar, you search for command line CMD if you are using Windows, like this. So now you'll open your desktop, or you'll open, where will you store this file to? Say CD into document. You enter, then here, let me check if I have a file name like that. No, I don't have. Then I will say, okay, I'll say it git clone, just to clone that repository. Then I paste the URL here. So later, this is the name of our repository. The repository that will appear later. It will be like this. Then we copy it, then I click enter. Now, I'll be waiting for it to load. Like this, it has happened. It has complete downloading. Then I will say CD, I'm opening into it, change the directory. Then I put the name of it like that by pressing tab key, starting with letter GI, like that, then like spelling it out. Then I will press the tab key on my keyboard, enter. So I've opened it now. Like this, or at this point, I will open it with VS Code because I want to put every editing on VS Code. So now we are in VS Code, and this is where we can perform our obligation and everything to do. So let me clear everything here.
Prompt to open the VS Code.
Yeah, this is the VS Code now. I've opened that file with VS Code. When after downloading it here using git clone, now it is my time to open it with VS Code. Is it clear? Then we just leave this point.
Normally without using the command prompt?
Yeah, you can open it without using the command prompt. And by coming here to your file explorer after cloning it, then you go to where did we clone our repository for to document? Oh, sorry. Oh. So it uses I will come to where it's document. Yeah, here it is. You see, this is it. Now you can open it from here. Either by coming to this space like this, then you write CMD like this. Then you can open it from CMD codes like this. You see, it has opened with VS Code now. Or after opening your VS Code, you can just come direct from here, file. Then you say you are opening a folder under which name? Under the desktop here, which I'm storing there. Then I will click like this. Then I put select the folder, which is this also. Now it shows that I've opened it in VS Code, and the changes that I need to put. I first open my terminal. This is the shortcut of opening it, but I can't use it like that. You come to this three dots here. If you can see my cursor, that's where you can put your first. You can open the terminal, then you read it from here. Open a terminal. So it is a new terminal. And we open it like this, it will come, wait for it to load. Now, at this point, first we need to create a branch because we are making these changes to a repository that is for so many people. It is not ours. We need to create our own branch. Even if we make changes, it would be complicated to change that in the main repository. So let's say git branch by putting the name. Sorry, that's branch. Then we will put the name. Let's say branching. That's BC. Fishy, like this. So this is the branch that we created.
Are you writing my name?
Oh, git branch. Your name, is it not like this?
BANCH, yeah. B.
Okay. BAN.
And CHI.
Okay. Bishi.
Yeah,
Banshee. Okay.
Yeah.
Like this. So now we can go to that. We can go to this branch. Let's first clear Banshee. Oh, sorry, I did not clear even the wrong spell. So I will write git checkout. We are shipping to that branch. Git checkout. Now you can see the branch name is here is main. We are in the main branch, which is the branch that everybody collaborate later. But now what we want to do is that we want to have all the changes in Banshee branch, which is we'll write now. Then we'll say git checkout, then we write the branch name, which is Banshee, like this. Then we click enter. It will change even automatically from this point. Yes, can you hear me? Hello. Am I?
Hello. 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 Hello.
Microphone 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? Wow. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
What of now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry for that. Even I was talking and I don't know why you are not responding. Something very weird.
No, your voice was not audible.
What of now?
Now, yeah, it's audible.
Okay, okay. Sorry for that, by the way. And
No, it's okay.
and I was even speaking. So yeah. So you are poor.
So what's the difference between
Okay.
git checkout and the branch when
Okay.
you write?
Okay. When you git branch, it's the branch that put all your changes inside. These are branch of a GitHub that you will put your document inside it. Whenever you are committing to our repository, let's say that we are committing to Group 25, we must have a branch that will accept our input so that we will link it later with the branch of Group 24. That's the branch. Branch function of it is just like from the main tree, then you create a branch. Now, this is the main tree now. It's like just a tree at your compound. Then within your tree of your compound, you must create some branches. There is branches of that tree, right? If we go in real life scenario. And each branch of those branches, there is a lot of branches and a lot of leaves and fruits. So now what we will be doing under this branch of your name is we will create changes. Those changes, they will be like fruits. Let's say we give them, we will create leaves. Like this is a tree that is growing now. And the leaves that we created is bushy and
do we use a git checkout or git branch to create the branch? Which one do we use?
We write git branch, git branch, git branch. Then we'll put the name branch, but it will tell us the branch already exists like that. You see, it's give us that branch already exists. Okay. Yeah. So that's now you'll put the name here, the new name that you want to put. If we want to create a new name now, we will put that. Now at this point, is that because after creating that branch, then you write git checkout. You want to switch to that branch because you create a branch, then you want to switch to it. Git checkout, then you write branch like this. So it tells us we are already in that branch and we have made changes in this file. You see, it tells us we already made changes. We make some changes, which is M here. Now, if we want to go back to our branch, the main
How do
branch,
you make the change to the branch?
Under this branch, we just come here, we create like this, like we just give the spaces, we create a text from this point, let's say, let me have this, like this. So I just want to edit this point, this part, and I don't want to delete it. Just this is the group norm I'm editing now, our group norm. So like this. Now it's like I've created this. Although I can come here to Google Doc. Let me come to Google Doc. Where it's locked. Slack is here. Now let me come to Google Doc under Slack. Then I will come to documentation. Sorry for that. Click the wrong one. Now under these norms, I just come direct to this group norms. Let's wait for it. Now I can copy everything from this point by just holding Shift then select all like this. Or I'll just click Control A after it finished loading here. Let me wait for it to finish. So let's wait for it. Like this now, I will Control A to select everything like that. Then I will Control C to copy. Now, because I've copied this, I just come direct here. Under this readme here, under collaboration, because I already know I'm in this branch. I've switched already to that branch, but I want to make changes now to readme, and I want to put all my group notes here. Just Control A, Control V like this. Now I'm done with that. Then here, this yellow thing is a markdown rule that is telling you each line, like this line 78, this line 78 only should have 80 characters, and actually we are having 122 characters. So for us to simplify this, we need to simplify it into shorter characters like this by just placing your cursor somewhere like this. Then you click enter for it to cut short like that. Then again, at this point, you just press it somewhere, then you cut it short like that. It's very nice. You don't need to disturb yourself with it. So we are removing this markdown rule. This is the first thing we are doing. We are removing the markdown rule. Let me remove this markdown rule here. Let me remove it here. Let me remove it here. I'm just cutting at any edge for me to move that mark like this, so that we would face something like that, cutting any edge. But you'll cut them correctly, but you need to read this. For me, is that I just show you like that, cutting at any edge like that. Then you Control S to save that, to save those changes. Control F like that. Then it's done. After that, now here are our names, me and you. This Banshee and me. Then I Control S like this. Then now I will come to my terminal here down here. Then I will clear everything just by typing clear. So now I'll write git add. We are adding these changes to GitHub by putting git add space dot. In that space, now it will add every changes that we created. Then I said git commit. By committing this, then I put embedded M, which is -M. Then I had a commit message. Tutorial with Banshee. Then I close it now. But don't miss those double quotation marks. Your commit message must be under those quotation, two of them, like that. Then now it is committed. Now I will write git push because I want to push it to.
Is that the title?
This one, no, this is the commit message. It's not a title. This is a commit message. You put a message that you can remember anytime. When you're writing a commit, you need to put that message so that if someone wants to read your code, they will know what you committed. Now, if someone go there, this person will know. Later in my repository, this person will know. Oh,
what kind of commit you make?
Yeah, we know this kind of commit I made is with, it was just a tutorial. it was not very, or I was just making it for this, I was making it for this, because you can put a name that you can easily remember for you to go and search it later in the commit place.
Okay.
Now,
why do you write git add dot at the first?
Yeah, this one here, if you write git add dot, is you are adding all these changes to your repository that is in the cloud. This one now is in your machine. The one you see here is in your machine, only in your local file. Now, if you write git add, then you put dot, you are adding all these changes to cloud, which is GitHub.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you also write the $sign before the git?
No. This are bash interface. This are bash interface. You see this one here. It's the one that is giving me $sign. I can even change it and use another one like a PowerShell, which is like this, which is different also. Let me show you. In this PowerShell, you just write git add. Yeah, like this in PowerShell, git add like that. You see it's going. If you write git commit, the same thing. Then you put two quotation. Let me, I have embedded this, put two quotation, adding tutorial with batch like this, then I close it. You see? Now, even I can write it push origin, then I will write the name of our branch, which is Binchi. So let me go back to the one I use, git branch, git push. Now we are pushing these changes. Git push, then I will write origin. We are pushing these changes to the original branch, which is Banchi, like this, the name of the branch after origin. If I click enter now, all these changes will go direct to our GitHub, and we will see from there later. Now we wait for it. It will complete the loading. That's what we are waiting for. As you can see, boom, we have completed the loading. Now we can go to GitHub together and see. This one is still in April 2015. Up to 2024, it did not finish together. Chrome. Okay, at this point now is that I will write my GitHub. I just closed it before, but it is not supposed to be closed. Okay, only this thing that are on. Now I will come to the repository. Just opening them. Yeah, this is the Git magic that we are dealing with. Now you see, at this point, you see, it's even give us the name. Banchi had a recent push 58 seconds ago that we pushed this request. We want to put them inside this branch. If you come here now in this collaboration, you will not see our names. This is the main branch. You see from here is main. So let's click on this collaboration under main branch. We see the readme here. If we have our name there. We want to see it. You see, we don't have even our names here. There's nothing that is showing our name. So now I will switch the branch here and switch it to Banchi. You'll see the changes now that we made. You see our names are here, Banchi and War, under Banchi branch. So we need to combine this branch. This is what we call git pull or git matching. We are matching the two branches to become one. So after creating something like that, now I want these changes, all these changes from Banchi branch to the main branch. Like this name should go to that branch. Then we delete this branch, which is Banchi, that we don't need it anymore. Let's wait for the internet. Can you hear me now? Hello?
Hello?
Okay, can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you.
Okay. Sorry for that. Wow. It's still, is my screen still visible?
No, it's not visible.
Oh, meaning I have stopped sharing it. Now, can you see it?
Now, yes.
Okay. Now, at this point, is that we need all the changes from this Banshee brine where we cut off before. Is this Banshee brine? We need all the changes from this to come into this main branch that is here. Now, we need to compare and pull the requests that we have from here, but you will not pull them here. You'll come at this point, this is what is written, pulled request. At this point, pulled request, you'll come and create your pulled request from here. New pulled request, you click on it. Then you want a pulled request from this point here, don't forget here, the changes. This is the best, which is the main. Don't change this part. But at this point, you come and change it to your branch name. If you are working on a group branch, there will be a lot of branches that will be there because so many people want to commit their changes. But for you, you'll come and select your branch name here now, which is your branch name, which is branch. So after selecting your branch name, you wait for your internet to load for you. Let's wait for it. It's really disturbing, by the way, but the problem, I think, it's because it's raining. Yeah. Wow, okay. We are having a timeout now. So now we'll come here, create branch. After that as well, we'll just create it. Then you come here, down here, you say create pull request. That's what you do only. Then you wait for it. Wait for it to load. Yeah. At this point now, is that it will check.
To do the main branch?
Yeah, it will check and it will mark it. It's checking if we pass the correct method procedure. If you passed for it, or if there is any conflict that we may best, we can correct it from here. Now, then you create match vote request, then you confirm the match that you're matching. At this point, the green color will change to another color that is purple, which shows that we have matched this branch. You see? Now we can delete this branch.
Pull request and merge.
Yes.
Bank.
Yes.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What's the difference between pull request and merge?
Okay, pull request is you are pulling all changes from that repository. First of all, we have two branches, right? Is the main branch. Let me take you to the repository so that you can understand it very well. We have the main branch here. We have the main branch here. And we have, we have the main branch here and we have branch brine here. That is our branch, the branch we created before. You see here, it is written default. This is the default branch. You don't need to do anything about it. So we want these changes. If we want these changes from main branch to come into Bishi, we will pull request. We'll have the new updated changes. We compare them. Now, after pulling and compare these changes, we will match what is inside Bishi to main, actually. And after matching now, is that we will have, under this collaboration, before we have War and Banshee in the README. The same thing will appear if we go to main now. The same thing will appear, which was not there in the main before. You see, it shows that it is also here. Even our repository doesn't have any changes that you can see. But this one doesn't have. It is the same thing that is here now. After pulling all the requests from the main, We compare them. Which change have we made? The GitHub will compare them, and the Git command will compare this to what is happening. Who made these changes? After comparing them, there is no line that has been repeated, or these texts have been written have not affect any line from the main branch. Then they will tell us to match for it. If they affect for any line from the other branch, they will tell us to resolve the conflict first. Yeah. After that, now we can delete this branch. We don't even need them. This branch here. By coming here, then we choose branch under code.
This is your GitHub, your personal GitHub account, right?
Yes.
Hello, Ben. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
This is your personal GitHub account, right?
Yes, it's my personal. I don't know if you are not listening to me.
So on my personal GitHub account, I don't have all these lists.
Yeah.
How can
this one
how
is,
can I have them?
it is not a must for you to have it. You see, now we can delete it from this icon. I will answer you. You can delete it from this icon. So after deleting, we would have that branch again by clicking here to refresh. Yes, we'll only have one branch, which is main. You see, only main branch. We don't have another branch that we are remaining. You see, one branch. If we have two branches, it will give the number 2 branch. So even if we click here, it will show us any other branch. You see, that's it. Now we have committed our changes. We delete that. Even we are good to go like that. So, okay, let me answer you by coming here.